Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about some more string methods. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let's do something like this. So let's add a variable, let message equals to something like hello world. Welcome to the universe. All right. So this is our string here. Okay. So the first method which we will be learning is the indexOf method. Okay. So here, what I can do something like this. So I want to know from which index the world is starting from. So to see that, what I can do console log message dot index of, okay, and inside of the parenthesis, as you can see in VS Code, we have to add the search string. Okay, all right, and also optionally we can add a position here as well. So let's do world. So it is starting from the 6th index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now optionally we can add another positional argument. If I just hover over to this one, so index of search string and then position. So in case I don't want to search inside of this particular portion, I want to search after this portion. Okay, so let's do something like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10. Okay, so comma, and let's do 10. If I do that, as you can see, we are getting -1, which means from the 10th index of our string, which is here, okay, from the 10th index, there is no word or the string inside of this particular message string. Okay, so this is the index of. All right, so in case if it doesn't find anything, then it will return us -1. All right, and in case if it finds anything, then what it will do, it will return us the index from which the word starts. Okay, all right, so let's do 10 here. Okay, so this is the indexOf method here. So the indexOf method returns the position of the first occurrence of a value in a string. Also, if I just do something like this, so let me just do something like this. So what I'll do, I'll just go here, view word wrap. Okay, now it is good. Now let's do red, 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 and blue. Okay, I will do something like this. Okay, so for example, what I want to do something like this. So console log of message dot index of red. Okay, if I do that, we are getting 38. So what exactly it is returning us? It is returning us the index of the first occurrence here. Okay, it will return us the first occurrence in case we have multiple like the search string inside of our main string. Okay, all right. So the indexOf method returns -1 if the value is not found, which we have seen. Okay, and the indexOf method is case sensitive here as well. So if I just do something like capital R red, then we will get -1. Okay, so the indexOf method is case sensitive. So I will do something like this. Okay, all right. So this is the indexOf method. Then we will learn about the slice method. Okay, the slice method basically returns us a part of the string. Okay, so it will extract a part of the string. So what I can do something like this, console log message dot slice, and here we can have a starting index and the ending index as well. So in case if I do not pass anything, then we will get the whole thing, the whole string here. So whenever you want to copy a string, this slice method is very useful. Okay, so it will make a copy. All right, so now what I'll do, I'll just add some numbers. So let's start from 0 and let's go till the ending number, which is 5. Okay, so now if I just do something like this, then we are getting hello here. And please remember that this 5 number is non-inclusive. So what do I mean by that? So here we are starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the 5 is the space. So in case if you are wondering, so I will just get rid of this space. Still we are getting hello. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here the fifth index is for the W character. Okay, and inside of our output we are not getting W. All right, so this ending index inside of the slice method, okay, so that is non-inclusive. And whenever you want to see some of the description of that particular method, so inside of the VS Code you can just hover over to that and it will show it to you some of the like description of the method. Okay, all right, so the slice method returns the extracted part in a new string, and the slice method does not change the original string. So what do I mean by that? So if I just do console log message, the message string is unchanged here. Okay, the message string is unchanged. So strings are immutable, which we have seen. Okay, so the slice method creates a new string. Okay, it will return us a new string. All right, now let's see what happens when we add a negative number to the slice parameter. So let's do message.slice and -1. So as you can see, we are getting E. So which E? It is basically the last E. Okay, so when we will be adding some negative number to the slice method, it will start from the end of the string. Okay, so if I just do -2 here, it is getting the E and U. Okay, so U and E, so these two. Okay, I hope that makes sense. All right, so this is the slice method in JavaScript. Okay, and then we will have the replace method in JavaScript. So what I'll do, I'll just comment out these ones. Now let's do something like this. So we are having this message and I want to replace the red here. Okay, so how I can do that? I can do that quite easily. So let's do result equals to message dot replace. Okay, and then we have to add a string. So let's do red, and then we have to add a replace value. Let's do blue. Okay, nothing happened here. So now if I just do console log of result, then as you can see, we are getting hello world, welcome to the universe, blue. So this particular red is now converted to blue, then red, blue. Okay, so the replace method will replace the first occurrence of the search string which we provide into the method. All right, so the replace method searches a string for a value or a regular expression. Okay, the replace method returns a new string with the values replaced. Okay, the replace method does not change the original string once again. All right, now for example, you want to change all of the red into blue. So how you can do that? You can do that by using a regular expression. So what we can do something like this. So let's do red and G. Okay, let's do something like this. So if I just do that, then all of the red is now blue. Okay, so in case if you do not know about regular expression, this will not make any sense, but with the regular expression we can do something like this, or what we can do, we can just do something like this. So red, and we can use the replace all method. Okay, so if I just do that, then as you can see, we are getting the same result. Okay, so all of the occurrences of the red is now blue. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is the replace method in JavaScript. All right, so in this video we have learned about 3 new JavaScript string methods: the indexOf method, the slice method, and the replace all method. Okay, awesome.